duniani katika shindano la marathon. Pius Petro kama baada ya shindano la mita 400.
Okay. Afisa uhusiano mwema. Before the camp starts. Yes, and now want to invite to the athletes. Welcome.
For World Under 20, the juniors, normally they take only the top 2. They don't take 3. We automatically take 1, 2, provided that they have qualified. For the events that we don't have an athlete who have qualified, we have an opportunity through the World Athletics rules governing the under 20 that you can present one athlete, provided that provided that they have competed, and of course those athletes that have not met the standards. As a host country, we are given the opportunity now to have one. So in every event that we don't have an athlete that has qualified, then we actually have to nominate one to represent the country.